Wondering what to do with all those Thanksgiving leftovers? Don't let all those leftovers overwhelm you. But what can we do that's totally different? Aha! It's McCormick to the rescue with McCormick's Simply Better Turkey Gravy. We'll turn those leftovers into pizza. Start by swirling some of that delicious McCormick gravy onto an unbaked pizza crust. Spread it out, leaving just a little room around the edges for your crust. Next, we'll pile on the turkey. Then cover it up with cheese to keep the turkey from drying out. Then it's time to add on more delicious Thanksgiving leftover favorites like dollops of mashed potatoes and, of course, stuffing. Last, we'll finish it off by drizzling on some delicious cranberry sauce. Then it's time to bake. Ooey gooey delicious Thanksgiving leftover pizza using McCormick's Simply Better Turkey Gravy. Thanks for watching. You can find more delicious Thanksgiving leftover ideas by visiting McCormick.com. And thanks to McCormick's Simply Better Turkey Gravy. Pick some up for your Thanksgiving meal. See you later.